Hey guys, Chuck Norris Minecraft here, and this is how to use the Redpower computer. There are basically three main components which you need for this computer to work. It's your monitor, a CPU, and a disk drive. So let's go ahead and place our monitor. Behind it, I'm gonna place the CPU, and right next to the CPU, the hard drive. You can make these further apart by placing the monitor and using ribbon cable. Place it place it behind it. Then you can place the CPU. You can place more ribbon and place your disk drive. You will now notice when you right click on your CPU and you press start, nothing will happen on your monitor. That's because you don't have an operating system yet. So the operating system can be found in creative mode. It's not there. It's called fourth boot disk. Now you take that and you right click on your disk drive. Go to your CPU, say reset and start. You will now notice that you actually can do something in here. For your basic commands, you can press words in all caps and it will print out some words. Now this is a stack based computer. I'm not sure what that really means. I just saw it on another tutorial. But basically when you press 3 and you say .s, it will say that 3 is in your stack. And when you only press dot, it will remove the last one and display the last one. So now the stack is empty. Wait, that's it. When you want to start over a new page, when this is getting all messy, you can just say page, or I'm just gonna spam it a bit. Alright, now you can say scroll, and it scrolls down. So let's go on to the practical use of your computer. Now, the practical use of this is it can actually create a redstone current, which you will need to connect more ribbon cable, connect to an I/O expander. Behind the I/O expander you can place your Redpower bundled cable. Now you can place some of these colored wiring. Now that I've set up my little setup over here, let's go test this out, see how you can put it on. The command for putting on a redstone current is IOX, exclamation. We can do this by adding a number to the stack, then say IOX. But this is not necessary to add the item to the stack. You can just put one IOX. To switch off all the lights, just type in 0 IOX, all caps and exclamation. Now, the way this works is actually with binary codes. So the first one will be 1 IOX, this one will be 2 IOX, but this one will be 4 IOX, and this one would be 8, and this one would be 16, and 32. You can obviously add more wiring to this, but for the purpose of this tutorial I'm just gonna keep it at 6. So let's say 2 IOX. You'll notice that the second lamp is on. 4 IOX, the third lamp. 8 IOX, 16 IOX, and 32 IOX.